When was the last time you got your air conditioner serviced? A year ago? A few months back? Never? Well, if you want to continue enjoying the benefits of your AC all through the hot days of summer while also ensuring that you don't lose money in repairs, then it is extremely important for you to understand the significance of getting your AC serviced regularly. Hi, I'm Arjun, your in-house expert on AC repairs from Urban Company, and in this video, I'll help you understand the reasons you should get your AC serviced regularly. But before that, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to always stay updated on the best solutions for your appliances from Urban Company's in-house experts. The first and the foremost reason to get your AC serviced is to ensure faster cooling. When you get your AC serviced regularly, you basically get the cooling coil and the drain tray cleaned thoroughly. This ensures quicker cooling and therefore gives you and your family a much needed comfort. Second, do you want fresh air in your home and office? Well, by having your AC serviced regularly, you can ensure that you are constantly breathing in clean air that is free of dust, bacteria and other pollutants. This is because every component of your AC gets thoroughly cleaned, especially the air filters. It will also slash down the dirt, dust and bacteria from accumulating in your unit. The third advantage of a serviced AC is the promise of a longer lifespan. Apart from the make and model, an AC's life depends on how often it is used and, most importantly, what kind of maintenance it has received. It's just like how a regular car or bike servicing ensures that the vehicle runs smoothly for many years. Regular servicing from an expert Urban Company technician helps in keeping a check on all the parts, ensuring that these are running in top-notch condition, thus extending their lifespan in the long run. Fourth, regular servicing ensures lower electricity bills. Yes, a serviced AC functions more efficiently. What this basically means is that it consumes less energy to cool your home, and when you use less energy, you spend less money on energy bills. It's really that simple. Lastly, giving your hardworking AC the attention it truly deserves also reduces major breakdowns in the future. When air conditioners are not maintained properly, their components start performing poorly, leading to breakdowns and repairs, which can be frustrating, disruptive, and expensive. Thus, it is crucial to get your units serviced regularly to prevent any major breakdown or malfunction issues. So folks, do pay attention to the maintenance of your AC and remember to get it serviced regularly. This will be beneficial for the appliance and you in the long run. Also, if you're wondering where to get your AC service from, trust Urban Company's expert technicians to do the best job. Just head over to the app and book your AC service right away.